how to download the PowerPoint on your computer and then pull it up to your Google Drive. The first thing you're going to do is go into your tutorials, and I'm going to do, since you're probably doing lesson 9, I'll do lesson 10. Comparing fractions, click through. It's going to download it, and what you're going to do, don't open it, is go to new. Actually, I'm going to open up my COVID-19 just so that it knows to upload it in there. So open up my Transmath folder, or wherever I want to upload this PowerPoint into. You're going to File, Upload, and click on your recently downloaded. Okay, so my screen might look a little bit different from yours because I'm doing this on my computer, but you should have a downloads button or something where it says recents or something like that on your computer. This is the PowerPoint I just downloaded, so I'm going to upload it. And once it uploads, you're going to see a little checkbox right there that pops up. It's going to upload into this folder. All the rest of Google Slides looks like it's kind of like a yellow square, and this one has an orange P in the middle. This is the PowerPoint that you just uploaded, and you'll know because it says last opened by me was 8/23. So this was the recent, this is 8/23 right now. So you're going to click on that link and you're going to say open in Google Slides up here. And then once you open in Google Slides, it's still saved as a PowerPoint even though it's opening in Google Slides. Because right now what it's doing is it's acting as a reader. It's not saving it as a Google slide. So you're going to do what I showed you in the other video. You're going to go to File, and you're going to Save as Google Slides. It's going to open up another window, and it's going to upload your Google slide. So now it's saving this as a Google slide. Now you're going to just rename it to Unit 8. That's Lesson 10. 5 skills. Level 1. And that is how you save your Google Slides.